Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create the trending couple moon wallpaper using Picsart. So before you start creating the wallpaper, you need to of course get the moon faces image first. So you need to go to the moonfaces.co.uk and scroll down until you find the calendar. Add your birthday first and then go to the top, and here you'll get your moon face image. Just long press it and click on download. So after that, do the same thing and add your birthday, your couple birthdays, your partner. And then after you download, just open Picsart, and here click on the plus icon and use a black background. So I'm going to go to the color background and choose a black color. Change the ratio first, click on feed and change the ratio into story. Okay, choose the black background again, and after that find the options to add the photos and add two image of the moon that you've just downloaded before. Okay, click on add. So this will be added like this, and you can always adjust the size and also the position of each moon face image. Okay, you can go like this. For example, if you like it, you can just click on the check icon and click on this arrow down to download the image, and you can make it as your wallpaper. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.